So this is a trade recap for Friday, the 7th November. So coming into London session, my bias was that price will continue this downward movement, and on the daily candle we can see we're going down. Then on the 4 hour, still trending down. So ideally I'm meant to like follow the trend and not go against the trend unless some sets of things have happened. But I have to like follow the trend. On the 1 hour as well, we've been having pullbacks continuation. So like I was looking for some kind of pullback on the London session to like continue the move. So coming into the morning, and as usual, I like to take my trades 8 o'clock in the morning. So this first vertical line here is 8 o'clock. Go down to the 5 minute time frame so you can see. So we made this overnight high during the Asian session, which was around 1 o'clock a.m. London time. So after 8 a.m., as I usually wait, we took out this high here, and it was difficult for me to find an entry really, because my usual entry would be after a fair value gap closure to the opposite direction. So I really couldn't find an entry, but what I did was to wait for a 5 minutes break of structure to the downside, which we got here. Got the 5 minute break of structure here, but like I wasn't really interested in going short at that moment. So what we usually do is wait for price to come back into a point of interest. So for this, we use our fib levels from the eye of that overnight session sweep to the low, then wait for price to come into the discount area, because this is a premium, this is a discount. So price it come into the discount area, and on the 5 minutes candle we can see a fair value gap there. This fair value gap here, price did come in there, then rejected. So like that was our cue to like enter for a continuation of this trend. Yep. And also if that entry wasn't good enough, there's also a 5 minutes body closure for this fair value gap. That's an entry as well. Anyways, I go in on this candle here, and I place my stop loss somewhere there. So I ended up closing down here because I wasn't really sure of the movements. So I closed on I think $400 profits. So if I'd like let it run, my targets would have been the overnight low. So sweep the high, then we target the low. So there are lots of entry techniques for this. So coming to the to the New York session, which is after London time. London time. So price opened there and price came down. But what I wanted to see was a manipulation as soon as we opened in New York. We didn't really get much of manipulations to the upside. So I was waiting for price to like come up a little bit, take this eyes, or maybe take this relative equal eyes, then go back down. But we didn't. But my cue to enter this short was that we opened and we rejected this fair value gap, this 1 minute fair value gap that we made. We rejected it. And my overall target was that we keep going down and take out previous low. So on the 4 hour, we can see this previous low much better. So this is the previous low, yeah. So we are so close to it that I was so sure that we would go further down. So this was my target right here. So we did open, and we were expecting a 1 minute fair value gap to the downside, which we got here. So I entered on this candle actually. No, I did enter on this candle here. Then I placed my stop loss somewhere here. I kind of took my profits here because it's my 1 to 2 risk strategy. You also leave it to run, then it finally did hit my level here. So overall, I still believe there's still room to the downside. I still believe we can take out October low, maybe sometime next week. It's a possibility. This is just a pullback. So probably we target this previous month's low. So that was the trade I took today, and I'm up 5K on the day, and that's like up 10K on the week. So I'm looking to pass this Apex evaluation, and I believe if I take it slow from next week, I could pass the evaluation and get funded with Apex.